guys, I'm coming. I'm in it. I'm coming, my people. Let me invoke for music. Hello. We have a topic tonight, and our topic is gossip. Gossip and gossip. What can we learn from gossip and gossiper? Why do people gossip? And what can you lose or gain by gossiping? Do you gain or you lose? Who knows? Let's talk about it. Someone might be learning something new this evening. And so people might want to leave their bad character. Because but no face tonight so that I can face my business quick. Hi and hello everyone. Good evening. Sorry. We want to talk about gossiper. Gossiper. What did they make people the gossip? What did they make people the gossip? Some people they gossip, they don't know. Mama, what are you eating? It's bread though. Bread. Eh? What make people gossip? What make people gossip? Why people they gossip? Okay. Why people they gossip? People who gossip. Gossip, so where we still they talk about. You get different grade and categories, eh? But gossip is gossip because it's the same thing you do with gossip. Okay? But gossip now have different grade. Different type of gossip. Eh? Gossip now gossip, but why gossip can't get grade and different type, it now got to do with the type of people you gossip with and the kind of thing you gossip with is what make gossip to be different. Otherwise, a gossip is a gossip. Because gossip is when you talk about anything. Okay? When you discuss something that when you discuss issue that is actually you don't have control over, that is what is gossip. But the difference of different type of gossiper. Now, who you gossip with? There are some gossip you gossip with colleague. Okay, you gossip what happened at your working place with your same colleague at your working place. There are this gossip again. You gossip your husband to your friend or to your pastor or to your family. Then sometimes you gossip your madam, anybody where you they work follow. I go they work on, I go they hear because I know your feet sit down. Okay? Me, I gossip you today with my friend, but a good one, sha. You see? Now they talk so. Now I just they break down so different people. Gossip. Now they carry the thing follow body. So they waka. Okay. Different type of gossip. Now that they see. That they see gossip where you go gossip, it no go ever disgrace you. Because the reason why gossip bad, sometimes it they disgrace person. It they disgrace person. That's why some people that they gossip, but they can never gossip in the midst of everybody. Do you know why? Because they know that gossip can disgrace you. And if you no control it, and actually everybody fit talk now, say that they see you know the gossip. They know they see you know the gossip. But the difference of me and you gossiping, it will not be who you gossip to, who I gossip to. And where did I gossip? And where you gossip. And who am I gossiping? And who are you gossiping? Those are the different type of this gossip. But in the general one, trust me, gossip can disgrace you if you are not careful. In the environment, you gossip. In the midst of people, you gossip. If you are not careful, it's going to disgrace you. Years back, when the gossip disgraced me, that I stopped gossiping also. I used to gossip this type of gossip. I used to gossip this type of gossip where I don't know where to gossip. I just hope now they get me. If you not get me now, tell me I'll come again. I don't feel listed tonight. May go sleep. I'll come again. Una they even hear me at all. Now they understand me or me I break them down. Because gossip is just too much inside. Yes. But it's good more learn. And they tell you, like me, I learned in a hard way. And I came out of it. And I become so good and so better. If there is one thing I'm proud of myself for, is gossip. I don't gossip bad gossip of anybody. Never. And I didn't just start doing it because I'm too clear and too perfect. For where? It's because I learn in a hard way and then I get to like this gossip of a thing, by the way. What it be? I can't not say shy. Gossip can take your pride away. Gossip can rob you of your respect. Gossip can make you become dumb. Gossip can make you very small. Gossip can make you lose your respect. Gossip can make you lose your title. Gossip can make you lose your even position. Gossip can make that gossip of a thing is so bad, that if it you come for your eye, you go regret. But some people, if gossip you come for their eye for Mrs. A, they'll go follow Mrs. B. If it you come for their eye for Mrs. B, they'll go follow Mr. C. If it you come for their eye for Mr. C, they not go quit lane. I don't know. Maybe people that stick to this type of small gossip, they don't have shame. And many of them, they have pride. Do you know if you have pride, you will also be a gossiper? Do you know why? If you don't know why, ask me why. If you say you know why, I continue. Do you know that pride make people to gossip? Yes or no? Maybe normally you would have not be a gossiper. But because you have pride, it will make you to become a gossiper. Why? Okay. People with pride, okay, people with pride, you know, they are not usually an easy people. Do you know that? People with pride are not usually easy because they don't give up on something like that. They don't agree on something just like that. No. They always want to be the final say. You understand? So, Because they are very prideful, they do not accept their mistake. Because they are very prideful, because they don't want to see you, they don't want you to know that this is my shortcomings. Okay? They will try to hide it. Trying to hide it, they more look for that environment, look for one or two persons to gossip with. Because gossip actually make proud people to feel like, oh, you don't know me, I'm still there. Hey, then at the same time, if you gossip with the wrong people, your pride will be taken away from you. You will be disgraced. You will be ashamed. And you still cannot accept it. Proud people, they are not easy people, I'm telling you. They are very, 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 very difficult to handle. They are very difficult. One, they are never wrong. They don't accept that they are wrong. Never. Again, they know more than everybody. And because they feel they know more than everybody, so they do not agree to everybody. So, anytime you try to argue with them, they will never agree to your own. So, that argument will make you leave each other being angry because you didn't really agree to each other. Because they did not agree with you, they will be looking for partner. They will be looking for someone that will agree with them because they are prideful people. They cannot... I know, say, prideful people say, prideful people, listen to me. The reason why you gossip is what I'm trying to explain. The reason why in this modern time, we are back. I wish I can save this video because somebody I know needs to hear this. My question still remains. Why are a lot of women claiming they are Benin because they grow up in Benin? Benin is a special place now. Good evening, my lady. Good evening, my darling. This topic is so interesting. Why not on YouTube? I'm busy tonight. I'm busy. They say that they press person neck. Who could they press my own? Nothing with person don't go here for social media. Oh, me I drink water. Okay, so because say if you argue with a proud person, they will never agree to your own. So sometimes maybe you will not leave them. You understand? You will not have to leave them on that argument. You not agree, she not agree. So you now can't depart or leave each other on phone or whatever. Because a proudful person, the spirit does not just take it like that and go to bed and throw things away. Proud people don't throw things away. Ooh. They will not be looking for who can I ask now so that I can win this case even on your behalf. Who can I talk to now that can agree to my point of view? That is how a proudful people become a gossiper. Actually, they really, in their own normal body, they don't want to be a cheap gossiper. But that spirit of pride that they have in them it will never make them to agree to your own. And you not agreeing to their own, you will leave them halfway. They will be so worried. They will be, because they always win. They always win. So if they can't get it from you, they will look for another means. Now that means now whether they can call or consult, it make them to now become a gossiper. Okay? And sometimes some prideful people gossip will never be exposed if they are very wise. They look for a kind of proud people type of thing. Okay? Because proud people are also very fake. They fake things because they are deniers of themselves. They are deniers. They are blind over themselves. I don't know if you guys have noticed this. People that are proud, they don't see their soul. They don't see their error. They don't see the things that are in them. That sickness is a very bad sickness. You cast about it. If you know you have spirit of pride, cast about it, because it makes you become blind over your own situation, over yourself. You will never see yourself. Oh, this night, God, I want to walk. You will never see yourself. So, because of that, they will look for another person to kind of rest down that, yes, I win this argument. They are usually very defensive. Oh, Jesus. That they are defensive now is what will make them look for someone to call that will agree to their own. You understand? So, when they now call, some of them are very sensible. They don't learn. So, they look for a high person also that cannot open them to gossip with and say, hey, hello, I want to ask you something. Assuming this type of thing, what is your take in this? Because when that person will say, usually, yeah, you are right in a way. You understand? Because they are also psycho. They throw talk at you so that you can be able to bring it in, so that they can be able to have charge over it. Oh, Jesus. They are so trickish. Proud people. Oh, God. Proud people, receive message this night. I'm telling you, we do not hate you. We do not hate proud people. Even Bible not hate you now. They advise you. Say, proud people. Ooh, your own destruction is in your own hand. It's not in any other person. Proud people, you don't even pray for enemy. Just pray for yourself. Oh, Father, take this proudness away from me. Because that proudness is what will destroy you. It's what will make you. It's what will bring you down. It's what will naked you. It's what will shame you. Hence, you will see the truth. You can never accept it because you can never allow things to go slowly, normally. No, it must always go your way. Now, that same thing, now they bring them down. That same thing will make them to go and look for another partner of gossiper. Those that are sensible, they look for top class to gossip to. But those that are not sensible, they always look for a lower class where they can always have yes, yeah, you are right, yes. They'll look for that lower class. If you're a powerful person in this place tonight, I'm advising you, if you want to continue on that your way, look for a high-class person to be gossiping with. Because if you go to low-class people to go gossip, they will bring you out. Because low-class people, they want to learn. You keep gossiping with them, you are always winning. Actually, nobody want to stay under anybody that, oh, this person is always winning, No! One day, everybody want to have a say. That's why prideful people just look for your class. Because if you go to lesser class and you always win, you bring, my darling, this type of thing, how did you say it? He will say, yes, you are right. Oh, yes, you are right. You see, I was telling that so person, he will not hear. That's how the gossip will start. You are gossiping with low-class person. You are gossiping every time you bring big people, you take them to low-class people, you gossiper. Anytime you take big people, you take them to the low-class people, you gossip there. because you think, oh, yeah, it's very safe. She will always be loyal. Oh, no. You see those ones where they dance so that you think they will always be loyal. Those are the ones that are very dangerous. They can never be loyal. They are loyal now because they want to learn. The moment they still learn, they upgrade. Sometimes some of them, not that they really willingly want to betray you by stopping to be your gossip partner. No. Sometimes they just get to another place where they now learn better that, oh, it's better to mind someone's business than to always gossip people. That is where the betrayal will come from. It's not that the people really just like, I will betray her one day. No. A time will come, everybody, they said, they said change is the only permanent thing in this life now. Abi, it's only change that will always come again and again, again and again. It's just that those people you put there as low class, one day, everybody wants to grow. The moment they grow, some of them begin to see the light and know that, mind your business, mind your business, mind your business. And the person just realized, I'll mind my business, so I'm not even profiting from it. Because people who always bring gossip to you, watch them. You don't profit from them. It's only that gossip you have with them. You don't profit from them. People who gossip, you cannot profit from them. They are not even progressing. That's why they are so busy making sure that they are the one analyzing your life for you. And when you are very busy analyzing people's life, like, oh, not be the type what they do for social media. I mean real lifestyle. Not someone, because some people now go say, see what they talk. Maybe now they analyze people like that one, they different. That one are my work. After I close from there, una matter no cash me until another person saying your you come. No concern me. I'm talking to those who use it as daily business for their life to analyze people, to cross-match. They cross-match. They cross-match your yesterday to your today. They cross-match your last year to your today. They see every difference in you. They usually don't mind their business because there is no way you mind your own business that you will see every little change in another person. Is very difficult. You understand? So the reason why your gossip partner always betray you when you gossip with low class than you is because they want to grow. And at a time, they will fed up. They will not get it. You don't even bring anything productive to me. The only thing you bring to me is to gossip. Is to bring people to me. Sometimes they are fed up. Sometimes they are spirit. Do you know that sometimes when you are really down, gossip will be sweetening you. At a time when you get busy, your spirit get busy, you will no longer have time for idle things. That idle things you used to do, it will not be irritating you. That is where you see people will start to tell you, you don't they change you. Why? Waiting now, you know they gossip again. Not be me and you gather again. You will come be like you, they tell them, say, I beg, I don't get time. Because you don't busy. You wake up in the morning, you carry your bag, you go to your daily business. You coming back, someone is calling you, hey, you know the gossip of today. Sometimes it irritates you, you are no longer there. So you guys begin to grow apart. And one day, when you don't know when to stop, I'm talking to gossipers now, I'm not blaming you, but sometimes it's just something that happened to everybody. You need to learn. That's what I'm saying. Me too. I used to be a gossiper very long time ago. Until I learned my own way and I told myself, oh, I will never gossip somebody again. Because people will always betray you. Because gossiping is bad. And the people you are gossiping with, at a time they will get that. Even you, talk true. If somebody keep gossiping to you, call you, gossip to you, call you, gossip to you, talk true. You know they tire people. You know they tire you sometimes. It tire you. Many friendship has ended up because of gossip. Either, oh, he gossip too much, or he start gossiping you. What I'm here to say, Gossip is very bad. It makes people to see you finish. Ladies, don't do it. Don't gossip. If you're angry of somebody, call that person. Oh, Baba Monica. Now me they talk. If you are angry of that person, as far as the person is still you just dey tired. Why you dey tired now? They want me to go to YouTube. I want work. I dey work. I too get work this evening. I too get work. You understand? Look at Facebook. A lot of friendship ended in that Facebook. Why? Because of gossip. Because of gossip. I'm telling you, ladies, don't gossip. Especially, it's so dangerous to gossip a friend. When you gossip a genuine friend, it must be exposed. And it will disgrace you. It's not nice. Don't blame the people that betray you that you gossip to. No, I don't blame them. Because at a time, people grow, they want to change. They are no longer with you. Then again, why prideful people end up to always gossip is that when their nyash is about to leak, they look for another comforter. Because a gossip partner is a comforter. A gossip partner, we always like, when you bring gossip, you say, you see that thing? I better not be green. You say, yes, Nana green. Thank you. Because the rest don't say na yellow. A gossip partner, we always comfort you. But if you tired then, that's so way they'll still take. The way where they'll take, they say, I beg, you go the one, they betray me. No. They did not betray you. Nobody betray anybody for gossip. It's just that they get tired. That's why I encourage women of these days, please try and learn. I'm not too good though, but it will be hard for anybody to call me on gossip at this stage of my life. Oh, it will be hard. It will be very hard. No way. You understand? Because I've seen it in the past, and then I vowed to myself, if I have a friend, if you make me hungry, I would say it to you. I will not go and gossip you, because it will disgrace me. And the danger of gossiping a friend is very terrible. Do you know why? Should I say the danger of gossiping a friend? Or una already don't know? Yes, you are right. Start a friendship with gossip, it will end in tragedy. Yes, I have a friend like that. Anytime she come in, it's to gossip about people. She know nothing. She have nothing to offer. Oh, at the time you get tired, Abby. Good evening. Okay, I should say it. The danger of gossiping your friend. The moment you open your mouth and gossip your friend to anybody. Listen again. Let me come again. Oh no. See the way they do like pastor with the altar. Wait, listen to this. The danger of gossiping your friend. The moment you open your mouth to gossip your friend to any category of any class of somebody, it doesn't matter, low, high, middle, it doesn't matter. This is the consequences. The moment you open your mouth, you gossip your friend. One, you have lose your respect. Ooh. Your respect fall to zero. But you will not know. You will not know in their hand. Okay. Some of them we just like, okay, let me feel like he's angry. Okay, I keep it today. Okay, let me see if he will do according to all this gossip. Okay. Tomorrow, the person will see you kissing and dancing and eating with that your friend. You are dead. Now, so the person go they do inside your heart. You not go know. Before you gossip a friend, make sure that either you guys are really, really quarreling or it's end. It's finished. It's finished. Don't gossip a friend today and go to the person's house tomorrow. You lose your respect. That person you gossip to is like, is looking you like, hey. Before you know, she will not go and gossip what you gossip to her, to another person, because she's too surprised. Say, hey, this life where we did so. Hey, now wow. Do you know this woman? Look at two of them. She gossip to me, oh. You see? The gossip you gossip to one person now, because of your behavior when they break, she will spread it. The other person will spread it. The other person will spread it. The other person will spread it. Oh my God. Before you know, it becomes national wide. That everybody is not looking at you. Gossip a friend is very dangerous. It's not good. It's disgraceful. If you don't know today, I'm telling you today. People. Yeah? Oh, this lady, Nana, they call me. Oh, yeah, Mona, wait. Hello, EJ. Oh, call Maro Waffin. Good evening. Hey, yeah, call. Okay. Hey, yeah. Call. Even no sooner when it time away, why, won't. Lao. Ẹ mọ̀ ṣe Malake gbọ́ mi. Ọ̀nà tí ẹ̀ mọ́ láka bọ́ dà mí. It no matter. No. No. We don't know you put, so you don't fine. No. Abeg. Ẹ̀wò. Àbúà. Làó nà. Làó. Ẹ̀wò. Uwe na ya get comment there, na ma ya no way stop or bunse. Làó. Wa stop. When you marry, o wa je na me wa are we dreaming? Wa when you marry làó. Ohun. Ẹ mọ̀ ṣe edede mo so ma nice. No. Ima ewe jo bunse. See aí. Wa. You understand? Ué. Excuse mana lugan gbe. Excuse mana. Mo bojo we na we ni la omotama we. Exactly. Person. La. De. Yes. Mm-hmm. Mm. 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 Eh, la wo woje. Wa forget the amount. Only the bigger one or forget the amount. Eh. Mm. 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 I'll call him. Ryokai. Mm. Yeah. Mm. Mm. Kakabo. Mm. Mm. Call. What take care of your news? I will say. Instagram. No. But your mama where you worry. Mama where you eh? Oh my day. Okay, take care. La o wa forget the video. La o ma. Okay, bye. Eh, eh, eh. Mona sorry my people. Eh? Now they do video like this, your nose they drop. They will say that they press their neck. Who can they press my own? Now? Hmm? Who will take responsibility of pressing my own? Because my own just they make. Because this video needs to be shared. So, as we were saying, I think you can be around gossipers, but you must not actively or directly take part. Yes, meaning you are not mature. That's what I said. I said gossip is in different form. And you can actually be in midst of gossip. If you don't learn your lesson, you will not fall a victim. You understand? And if you have not learned your lesson, you will still fall a victim again and again. And it's not nice. You understand? So please, gossip will bring shame to you. Gossip will take away your position. Gossip will make you to be shameful. Gossip will reduce you. Gossip will make you look like, I don't know what to say again. You understand? Please, ladies, let us learn to be bold enough to always confront our friend or stay away from anything that will make you to be gossiping somebody to another person. Because at the end of the day, they will betray you. And they are not just betraying you because they hate you, because they want to grow. If you want to grow, you must leave some certain things behind. And again, the reason why we quickly leave gossiper behind is because actually when you check it, they have nothing to offer. Do you know why? Gossipers sometimes, they don't have job. They don't have job. If you wake up in the morning, you go work. Hardly before you can be operation observer to everything. You know, Benin people say, Odiowaya no mugbino koko. So if people want to grow, when they not check their life, the number one thing they want to remove is that gossiper. Because that gossiper is just like heavy load for them. They bring everybody load. They go bring people shoe come. They go bring people hair come. They go bring people matter come. They will bring people ben trouser come. They will bring people teeth way black come. They will let you see everything you don't see. At the end of the day, now they heavy pass. So if you want to move forward, the first thing you remove is them. You see, you come be like say, I ain't gossip that. That is why I don't keep any friend contact. You see, Hmm? Oh. I be say the people where you gossip to be one just disgrace you. That's why the if person say so person gossip to me, they'll come say you betray am. He no betray am. He no betray am. He want to grow. He want to remove the heavy one. Because gossipers are always very heavy in your life. They drag you to what you don't want to be involved in. They open your eye to see what you don't want to see. They pinpoint what is not so important in your life. They pinpoint it and make it full colored page in your life that you must handle it, even if you don't want to handle it. And the time you want to move on, that this thing is dragging you, that time you too, your eye will open, that you will begin to see, oh God, see who they draw person. And you they color paint person. But see your own, they will never accept it, because people who gossip, I don't talk and just now. What is the root of gossiper? Who can tell me the root of people who gossip? Is pride. Pride. Because they can never agree to your own. They can never let you go. Now you be the top. They can never, because of that, they look for lesser people to always take all those matter one and gather to way no agree on. He must look for somewhere to take it to where they will say, yes, you are right. Yes, you are right. Yes, you are right. You are right. You are right. And gradually, yes, thank you, Shelly Berry. Yeah, you are right. Gradually, it will burn to jealousy, but we are not going to go into that. Because jealousy is a big one that will make everybody now will turn the topic to jealousy. No, I want to talk on gossip. Women, please, ladies, don't disgrace yourself by gossiping. Don't let your name to be involved with gossip. It's not nice. The people you gossip will never feel good. Forget. You not to pay, not be gossip. No lie. He pay die. Because gossiper gossip what is not there. That is why when they gossip you, he always pay you. Am I lying? When they gossip you, he always pay you, because you know what they gossip is not there. Because gossipers always gossip what is not there. They are never genuine. They are never accurate. Because of what? They are gossiper. Yes. Gossipers are coward. Gossipers lead to jealousy. If you are out there, don't feel you have betrayed a gossiper that used to be your partner. You just wanted to grow. And it's natural, it's normal in life. The first thing you remove are the things that are dragging you behind. You understand? And by removing them, they always feel you have betrayed them. But I will tell you tonight, you that always open ear for gossiper, especially wrong gossip. Like me, many people gossip to me. They will call me, Sister Monica, this one do me this one do me that. Was okay. You know what? This person so. He not do you this for like this. He do you this for like this. He do you this because of like this. May you do like this. May you do like that. I will not join them. But rather, I will change their mindset. I will let them know the right thing to do. Instead of carrying misunderstanding and begin to shade it up and down. Hey, come on, this thing so. See what I thought. Wait, see what it thought. I should be wrong. Ah, see what I thought. See what it thought. Should be wrong. You they shade and they go. No, I'll change their mindset. I'll say, like this, like this, like this, like this is better. So that you don't end up become a gossiper to human being. Nobody like to be gossip. Am I lying? Is there anybody here that like to be gossip, that doesn't care when, if they gossip me, I don't care. Now they know. Talk true. You still go to that person here that gossip you, you go and you talk true if you really know. Is there anybody like that here? People have started saying no. Nobody like it. Nobody like to be gossip. Nobody like to hear the word gossip. Nobody enjoy it. No. Abi, gossiper friends, look down. Yeah, on you. Yes. We are going to treat it next time. Maybe that one will be on that one will be on YouTube. Why gossipers always despise everything you do. I'm going to write it down so I don't forget. No, I can't forget. Why gossipers despise you a lot. Why they despise everything you do. You know, to despise is different from you criticize. Despise is the oga patapata of the disrespect. You hear some people say, if somebody disrespect me, I live there. I don't. When they despise you, oh Jesus. When they disrespect you, you can still walk away. When they despise you, you will be like motor where they panabit. And gossiper despise people. I'm going to write it down. Don't want to forget. It will be our next topic on YouTube. Nika, the pain, no. Gossip, no, they pay me at all. I don't like going to people's they pay, no. Okay. Some gossip you to their husband, and their husband will be looking at you like, Friendship where there is no respect and boundary is nonsense. If anyone gossip about me and I later hear it, I must call all the party together. Yo, where covers you? Fear don't let me gossip you. You just call everybody sit down. You don't let her go like that. Let them come and tell me what they got. This person, you slap take give me. Jesus. I know person will go fit do that one if you gossip her. To drive, follow everybody. I put everybody for motor one by one. Come put all of them together. Yeah, Mona call gossiper for hear me and they sit down on a mat where you say, oh, take gossip. Gossip they pay for real. Please, ladies, don't do it again. Nobody is perfect. Gossip they pain, especially when it's coming from friends. Even if not just ordinary water. Some people when don't know I been, if it say, where it can be the gossip. Even if not just ordinary gossip, no matter gossip is gossip. Now they talk small. They will gossip to their own family member that family member when no even see money to buy slippers. We go, they look you. See, when people come to you and they are looking you. Ovije, their belly don't full, their ear don't full. Oh, stash girl. Stash girl, you get when they must come together. And face to face, go be face to face gathering. Nobody like gossip because gossip is bullshit. And if it comes from a friend, it's like dagger. Oh. It go be conference call. You get time. Oh. They gossip. Yeah. Yes, now. If they gossip to their husband will start looking at you. When a friend starts saying, hello, I'll call you back. My husband there. My husband there. Ooh, rude two of them out. Just rude them out. I'm telling you. You know why? Now be said they don't dilapidate you. She don't, I want to talk now. She don't panabit you. Yo! Oh. People don't do it. People just rest the friendship. Stop gossiping people. It's not nice. It's not nice. Gossip is a big sin. Stop gossiping people. Stop gossiping your friend. It's not nice. Make it a kind of what we do on Facebook. Go be conference gathering. You see everybody go gather 2,000 viewers, 20,000 viewers. Now that kind of gossip, now it is sweet. You go call in. This one will talk to you. The wife go call talk to you. Your husband will call talk. Now that one, now it is sweet. You see the small one. Good evening, my darling. Good evening, my love. How are you? If I hear that, my best friend gossip me. Things will never be the same again. Especially with chatter the heart. True. I had a friend like that. Once her husband come, she go just end the call. My sister, forget that friendship. Don't forget. And not be say because they respect your husband, now because you know what nothing for where your husband they don't finish you. Don't finish you. Don't be a novice. You understand? It don't finish you. You want nothing anymore. That's why. Not because they respect your husband. No. Now because you are finished. That if the husband say you still they talk to that one, then they make and they quickly run. You don't tell your husband say he no be your paddy like that again. So when he notice a husband they come, he run. I should come and do this topic again, okay? 26 years ago, when I just met my husband, then boyfriend, a friend of mine told me something about my husband, and I told him that the day my husband met her in my heart, my nyash open. Oh, you see, it's not good. It's not good. My lady, what about your friend wrong you and the person is claiming to be right, and you tell that person and you tell another person to see if you are wrong or not? Is that gossip? Please let me know. That one, if you do it too much, now there gossip they start from. You didn't start this video from beginning. I explained this one where you talk. So if this type of thing happen and you try to let you check, and the person now give you like this and like that, okay, and check it with the one of your friend and try to look it like that post where they put. You look from down na 9. I look from up na 6. Actually, now now where we stand put make us look like that. Try to look the situation like that. But if the situation is not like that, then confront that your friend. Let them know, say, we know they always agree on something like this. And I don't want to go there ask people outside. Try to avoid it. That thing, I mean, we need to avoid it now. Try to avoid it. Or from that moment, don't be a gossiper. If you now know this is what usually happens again and again, shift away from the relationship and let that person know there is a change in that relationship immediately. You understand? Instead of you to now become end up to be a gossiper, because if you continue to do it, the people where you they carry go, you don't they establish their ear for them. You understand? That is how sometimes it start to generate small. They generate small. Why some will not be like that? Oh, some will not just be like that at all. Since then, I can never say anything about my friend. No. Please, I'll upload this video on Facebook. I will see if I can save it. It depends on who you tell. Again, also, there are some people you tell, they are so neutral, they give you straight direct advice. You see, wait, I don't feel talk and just now. I say many people gossip to me. I said it. I said, but I always give the neutral advice that will even make them better. You understand? It depends. That's why I say the proud people, they will not even be looking for someone who will tell them neutral. Because if you tell them the truth and they did not win, they will not take it. That's why they always look for lesser people that will say yes to them. You are right, but you are right. Hair making salon is the best place to gossip. If you know, you know. But this day, everybody don't know now. If everybody go salon, nobody agree talk that much again. You just be careful what you say, because na salon they always come slap person. Destroying people with gossip and bringing them low is not nice. Mommy Monica, can you please gossip to us on how you come about your topic? Oh, what is that you or your topic? Actually, I can't lie to you guys now. I watch someone on YouTube. I don't want to lie. Don't want to deceive you guys. I watched someone on YouTube when I was cleaning. I was just listening to that person's video. And pam, it just hit on me. Bath. You understand?